Paras here. In today's video, I'm gonna share how you can stop overthinking and take action. And I'm gonna share a real life example everyone can relate to, and you will clearly understand what's going on when you're overthinking, when you're not taking action, why it's happening, and how you can solve it. And before starting, I want to share a free Facebook group is open for you. If you want to start your high ticket affiliate coaching business to at least $10,000 a month, feel free to join. I have free implementation strategies, interviews, how other people are building their businesses, and welcome into that. So the next part is how to stop overthinking and take action. And I want to start with the story. There was this girl I used to like, and I used to always think that I want to ask her out, and a lot of guys want to ask the girl out, but she really had a crush on her. And what happened is I was here. I was not able to go and just ask the girl out. And what I was doing, I was putting this girl on the pedestal and thinking she is above than me. But I was noticing this thing. I am really overthinking while talking to her, but if I have a girl who is just my friend, or I don't like her, I can just go and say hi to anyone. Like, I don't care. I can just go say hi to anyone. Why can't I do that? Same girl, and I'm overthinking what will I say when I talk to her, what will I wear I talk to her, I'm looking good, I'm looking fine, all that stuff. But I was still able to manage to go to the girl and ask. I got no, that's fine, but I'm still happy that I asked her out. I got no, but and that other day I can sleep peacefully that it's all done, it's no, and I can do what I want in my life. Next step in my life, find another girl, what I want in my life. And from this, I noticed when I started this business, I was overthinking when I was putting the content out. And I noticed like a pattern, like why I'm doing this. In the morning, I woke up and my big goal is $10,000 a month. I want this $10,000 a month. And I used to make with my job, like almost say, you can say 3,000 a month. And job is easy, I understand. But what was happening was, I used to wake up, I read my goal like $10,000 a month. And when I started writing the content, I started overthinking again, like, oh, what's gonna happen? What people gonna say? Even starting this YouTube channel, because I wanna reach this $10,000 goal. It was really big for me, so it was really hard. And like overthinking and how I'm gonna dress up, how I'm gonna show up, what I'm gonna wear, black t-shirt, white t-shirt, overthinking in everything. Simple as that. I'm putting this $10,000 on the pedestal and thinking a lot, like what I'm gonna do, and it's not even in my reality. Like how is even possible? Same thing, that putting the girl on the pedestal and thinking like, oh, she's above than me, she's really beautiful, things like that. This is really nice, this is amazing money. You can think like that for sure, but you have to remove the pedestal from it if you want to reach it. That's the only way. And you can keep on putting things on. I understand it's a big goal, making like whatever you want. I don't know, your goal is $20,000 a month, 100%. But if you keep overthinking and not do what is need to be done, and it's all good. And how you can do this is just reduce the importance of that goal. In same scenario, what if I I would think in the scenario, I will never got the girl I want. Okay, I never got the girl I want. I will be single for life. I'll die alone. Like that's not a. If you think really understanding, like, oh, I want this girl. If I take action, it's good. The maximum that girl gonna say is no. There is nothing going to bad. I'm not gonna die. I'm not gonna die alone at least. She's gonna say no. I can move to other girl. It happen. Just think, when you take action, when you take this big action, asking a girl out and going towards $10,000 a month, what's the biggest thing gonna happen? Biggest thing that can happen is people laugh at you. That's the max that can happen. And the best that can happen is you reach your $10,000 goal and you are happy living with this money. So think it like in this way. So you're not putting things on pedestal. That's the only way. Like, I see this people doing the same thing. I'm gonna end this video here. My clients, even especially in the beginning stages when people are not making money, people are not have the habit of putting on, even if you're not doing this business, if you're watching this video and thinking, I want to do something, I want to start a YouTube channel, see why you want to start the YouTube channel and why you're overthinking. You have different reasons you want to be popular. Why popular is being so important to me. Think in that way. If you're overthinking anything, why this is so important to me that I'm overthinking. 100% our goals are important to us, but giving so much importance to anything, it just ruins the whole happiness, ruins the whole process, like staying happy in the process. It just ruins it all. You don't have to think about it. Imagine I'm just happy with my life, and there's this girl show up and I just ask her out without overthinking anything, and she said yes, then I'm get happier because I have this girl in my life. It's just that thing. It's not gonna, even this $10,000, you're gonna still live your life. You just have a better life, that's all. Even with the girl, you have just a better life, that's all. So just reduce the importance. Think 2 questions. Why I want this? A goal, like why I want this girl, and what gonna happen max if I don't get the goal that I want. What gonna happen maximum that can happen if I don't get the goal. Hope this video brings you a lot of clarity, and I'm gonna repeat again, free Facebook group is open for you. Feel free to join and start implementing. If you have any questions, put down in the comment section, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.